keep it down for a few seconds, it's gonna start flashing fast. Okay, once it's paired, press the play button. You select the language you want. It will scan for Wi-Fi, so look for the internet that you have and enter your password. It will now update. If you have an account, you select one. If not, you can create one on the spot. Okay, now you can set up your TV to work with the remote control. So depending which TV, you can select it here, or it can find it automatically. So at this time, I'm gonna just use anything. You can change it later on. You can put up and down the volume. If you can see it changing on the TV, that means it's good. At this time, it's a temporary TV, so I'm not gonna configure. I'll show you later. Okay, here we go. So once that's done, first thing you have to do, you have to go to settings and go to application, app store, automatic update, turn it off, notification, turn them off. Then you go back, then you're gonna go to preference, privacy settings, turn everything off. Then you exit. Then you're going to go to My Fire TV, developer option, and turn on unknown source. Now that is done.